Wow.
Alright, so we had a bet going that I have to wrestle the guy when the dog attacks me, and I wrestled in high school, so I was like, I'm taking this bet, you know what I mean? But I obviously lost the bet. All I had to do was stay up for 10 seconds. I got pile drived to the ground. The dog got me here. This was just from getting beat down, but man, what an experience that was. I mean, when that dog hits you, it's just like a force of just boom. And man, how it bites down on you is just incredible, the power that they have in their jaw. So I think we're gonna go do a little searching in the house, do some narcotics still. So we got a couple more things to do. This is how you drive in Mexico. You just go through the bushes like that. Oh, look at that, there's the road. So we're gonna go to a little house over here, and we're gonna do like a searching for the you know, the intruder or whatever. So we're gonna put the suit back on and see if the dog can find the person. So we're just gonna drive over there in this field and find the house. Okay, so we just got to an abandoned building here, but first they gotta search the building, just to make sure that nobody's here working on the place or sleeping here or something like that, because they don't want to you know, maybe get a homeless person bid or something like that. But it's a huge compound, so we're gonna hide up in there and have the dog find us. So see how that goes. Okay guys, we're in Osama bin Laden's compound here. I'm just kidding, but check it out. As far as you can see, they got the ocean right there. This is what is this, a hot tub?
Jacuzzi.
Damn. ¿Dónde está la cerveza? Oh man, I got a freaking, you know what I mean? Check it out, baby. Yeah. They'll think I'm crazy. They'll think I'm crazy. Check it out. Woo!
The next thing we do is find a people in the empty house.
So you're gonna release the dog on somebody that's hiding in there,
yeah.
Huh? All right, so we're gonna see that and see how that goes.
¡Hey, ya sé que estás ahí! ¡Sal donde te pueda ver! ¡Última advertencia! ¡Te mando el perro! ¡Última advertencia! Quédate quieto.
So that dog is just 8 months old, so his training's going really well. He went right to the target because he could smell it, so that was a perfect hit. So good job.
¡Hey, quédate quieto, no corras! ¡No huyas! ¡Quédate quieto, te voy a mandar al perro! ¡Última advertencia, no huyas!
We're gonna do the drug sniffing, and what are the drugs that that you guys are training for?
With fentanyl, marihuana, metanfetamina, ¿qué otra, jefe?
Coca.
Cocaína en fentanilo.
Alright, so this is the drug dog, and he's gonna search for drugs. Okay, so he sits when he's located the drug. He rewards them for that's meth. So we got meth right there. And so this is like a pure substance. The drugs that they use is pure here because they want to train to a pure substance, versus, you know, some of the stuff can be laced and cut with other stuff. So they try to get it like as pure as they can to train it to, you know, sniff the right stuff. Otherwise they'll sniff not good stuff. Oh, looks like he found it. So these dogs are very ball motivated. So let's see what okay, they got some kind of, maybe they got cocaine, some Mexican cocaine. I don't know, maybe I should try it to see if it's real cocaine. Just kidding. Alright guys, that's the end of the day. They showed us everything that they do here. If you want to contact those people, you can hit me up on Instagram. You can look him up on Facebook. I'll put his information in there so you can see. This is it was a fun day here, so just want to thank you guys for having me out. And yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of what you thought of today. So this is the place where I came. This is the contact info. You got the Facebook. You can look them up on Facebook. You need to put a +1 here if you're gonna call that number. But yeah, you want to come get bit by a police dog, this is where you come.